Hello sir, this is Samir Rahman and it's the problem number 2 of mid-1. We will write a C program which computes the following equation for any value of x, and the equation is x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 93, and there is a defined function cannot be of void type. So let's write this program. As you can see, I have already given the header file name into stdio.h, and then I will say int main, and inside this will be we'll be writing our program inside this. First we need to declare variables here, which is we can be var type, so we will use float here. I will be using two variables, one is capital X and the other one is small x. I'm using capital X to give the final result and small x to do the x cube x squared parts inside the equation. And after that we will say we will use printf. We need to ask for a value of x from the user, so we will say please give a value of x. I will put a semicolon here, and then I will use scanf to ensure that this value stays as a float. I will use %f, and I will use ampersand x to store the value in small x here, and then I will be computing the whole equation. So I will use capital X equal to, we have x cubed here first, so I will say small x into small x into small x, which is x cubed. Then I will be giving it square, so x into x. Then I will be giving minus 19x, and at last 93, and I will put this whole thing inside the bracket too, just in case. And after that we will need to print the result here, so we'll be using printf, and we will be giving the result in a new line so that it looks nice. So use an inline command and we'll say give me x, and the x value I need to show the x value two digits after the point, so I will use point to f as we are using it as a floating number, and we'll say the value of x and small x here. So let's build this and try to run it, and let's see if it works. So we can see that it's telling us to give a value of x, small x. So let's say 1. We press enter here, and we can see that it's giving us the value of the whole equation, which is minus 110. Then let's put space here so that it looks nice a bit, and we'll print it again and run it, and let's say for a negative number minus 1, and we can see that it's giving us the value of the whole equation, capital X here, which is minus 74, and for floating numbers we'll say minus 0.25, and you can see that it's also working for this equation too. So let's put a command here, variables used capital X for final value and small x for x for computing inside the equation, and we use printf to print string inside, and scanf we know how I will not be giving a comment here. And here I have used this equation given the question, compute equation given the question, and I have printed the result here. Print the result here. So yes, this was the program. Let's build this again and check it for one last time. Let's say for 10.50, and you can see that is giving us the value of the whole equation. Thank you.